guys, how are you doing? IrieDiva here from IrieDiva.com. I'm extremely excited because I just got my first box delivery from Potosi Farms. Now last week I did a post on the website, on the blog about Potosi Farms and several other persons on a weekly basis, and I decided to order. I ordered the small box, which is $2,500. You don't really get a choice of what they put in the box. They just kind of give you an overview. Well, we have this, this, and this week, and I decided to go ahead and order it and see what it would be like. Now, I completely forgot that I actually made this order because just yesterday I put in my order to the one that I do order from every week, which is Farm Food Basket. So I'm gonna have a lot of greens this week. No orders from me next week, guys, sorry. But this is what I got in my 2005 box. Now I'm super excited, so don't mind me. Now I got two of these. I'm not sure what kind of greens they are exactly, but they did tell me that I would be getting mixed Asian greens, mixed arugula, different types of lettuce, kale. I'm not sure if you can see exactly, like I have no idea what some of these are. I don't know if you can tell me what that is or what this is exactly. Now, what I love about these clamshells is that they are pre-washed, so I can just take them and put them right into my bullet and make my green smoothies every morning. Now I got two of these. I'm going to open the other one to see if the same type of greens are in. Yeah, this is a mix of arugula and kale, I believe. It's a whole lot of greens, and I'm so happy that they're pre-washed and pre-cut and pre-everything and ready to go. Now, I still suggest you, of course, rinse them off yourself in a little vinegar wash, but yeah. Right, here's the other one that I got. This is like a loaf as opposed to this one, this clamshell here. So you can see the size of this one. And this one has, I have no idea. This one has this. Now, yeah, I'm new to the different type of greens game. I have no idea which one is what, but they'll all be going in my bullet. I
like coconut.
You like coconut?
Yeah.
That grandpa will of course be the one responsible for hulling that.
Yeah.
But oh, there's a fresh bunch of parsley in here. This is flat leaf parsley, I believe. Let me take it out so you can see exactly what it is. Or yeah, that's definitely flat leaf parsley. I got some basil in here. I love the scent, the smell of basil. I love it. It's so fragrant. So I got some fresh basil in here. It's kind of smushed because I was excited and showing my neighbor the box earlier. Oh my god, I love that. So I can see some tomato and basil in my life very soon. I got cucumbers, sweet potato. I'm very happy about that because I love sweet potatoes. You could tell me what these are. I know this is an eggplant. I don't know if these are eggplants as well, but a different variety, or zucchini. Yeah? No? I'm not quite sure, but yeah, I got that. I got some brune banana. I got a pear, an avocado, as the Americans call it. I have beetroot, which I'm very happy about because I'm going to be juicing some of those. And I'm also going to be trying a beet salad that I saw on a Facebook page that I also put on my Facebook page. So if you are following me, facebook.com/IrieDiva, no, /love IrieDiva, then you would have seen that recipe that I put on my page. That's a beet salad with I don't remember what else, but I'll be making that with all this beetroot that I got. I got 1 sweet pepper. Oh no, I'm lying. I got 2, and this one is yellow. So that's perfect for me for a week. I don't need more than that. And look, I got the bellhorn variety as well. I got 4 of those. So I have lots of sweet pepper. I don't need any more. There's a stink bug still on this one, so that's one of the reasons I say make sure to wash what you're washing. I got limes. I got some okra, which I already gave away of the bulk to my neighbor, because me and okra aren't the best of friends. I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I'm probably going to give her those as well. I got scotch bonnet peppers, habanero peppers if you're in the States. And I got a big old handful of red onions. Oops. I love red onions. Thank you to Wendy's for introducing me to the flavor that is red onions, because now I use them on everything. So that's my box for $2,500. How'd you think I did? Look at the size of my box. So this is from Potosi Farms. Try them out. Bye guys. Please check out the blog, IrieDiva.com. Ciao. Hi guys, IrieDiva from IrieDiva.com here again. I'm hopping on video one more time because I have another unboxing to do. This one is more of a bag, not a box. I totally forgot that I had ordered from Potosi Farms this week, so I actually went ahead and did my usual ordering from Food Basket. That's the one that I've been doing for weeks now, and so I'm gonna just let you know, show you what I got from Food Basket, and tell you why I love them so absolutely so much. Now this is a clamshell of mixed greens that I normally get every week, and this week it has, no, this is only $250 from Food Basket. You'll see them in the supermarket from other farms for upwards of $600. So this is the reason why I absolutely love Food Basket. And they're constantly giving me a good mix of greens, because these were in the Potosi Farms greens as well, and I'm not quite sure exactly what this is. I'm gonna have to jump up on Google and try to see if I can figure out what these kind of spiky leaf greens are. But I love the mix that I get from them. You can see that they're different, and of course I love the fact that they're pre-washed and ready to just jump into my smoothie. So this was $250. I also bought leeks. Now I've never actually bought leeks before, but every now and then I look on their list of what they have and I say, okay, let me try something new. So apparently this is a part of the onion family. You can see down here, kind of looks like scallions, and they send the foodie news, like some recipes and stuff every week as well with their order sheet. So they have a recipe that I might try out for these leeks, so I say, okay, let me buy that. And then this is what they call a bundle. As I said, normally I look on their offerings and see what they have new that I've never tried before, and this is what is known as French thyme. They were the ones who introduced me to it, because I never knew what French thyme was before I actually ordered, and now I put it on everything. I can't do without it. It gives the food such an amazing flavor. Like, where was I before? So this was $150. Can you believe it? I can't. I can't use this in a week or even in 2 weeks, so I'm definitely gonna have to probably blend up some, make a herb marinade that I was taught by Chef Lumley how to do. So that's definitely going in a marinade and probably will be frozen, so I don't have to order French thyme for another 2 or 3 weeks, so then it frees me up to order something else next week or save some money. Now this is a bundle of black mint. I absolutely love fresh black mint. It makes a gorgeous, a lovely, I don't know what to say, but if you've had the frozen mint lemonades from X Place, then this is exactly what they use. I'm sure of it, because I've tried it with frozen strawberries, a little bit of honey and some ice, And then this is what I use to give Munchkin green smoothies. I make a strawberry mint lemonade, but then I put some of my greens in it. And you can't tell that there's vegetables in this drink. It's absolutely amazing. So, and then it's red, so of course she loves it. She doesn't actually think she's drinking a green smoothie. So try that. Fresh black mint, honey, ice, or just frozen strawberries. Amazing. And of course lemonade, lemon juice. Speaking of lemonade, now I've been looking for lemons for a while now. I've been having to use lime in all of my recipes, like, you know, marinades and different sauces for salads and stuff that call for lemon. And I realized that lemons are not that easy to get in Jamaica. I used to get them in Mega Marts all the time, and they've since dried up. I don't know if it's seasonal or something, but lemons were on the order sheet this week from Food Basket, so I was overjoyed at that. And the bag was $250, and it looks like a bag of oranges. How much do we normally spend for a bag of oranges on the street? Because this was, I can't believe that this was only $250. Food Basket is amazing. They will get my money every single week, because all of this was $1,000. I spend $1,000 on one meal sometimes, so this is amazing. This will last me exactly 1 week. It will last me much longer since I ordered from Potosi, and I have actually 3 or 4 of these now, so I'm good for another week or two. But I am amazed that they offer such a good service, such fresh products, such organic products at these incredible prices. Like Robin and Michael, you will forever get my money. Speaking of Robin and Michael, I have something to show you. When we went to dinner at Eats Cafe last weekend, if you read the post, you would have seen where I said that they brought out 2 different dressings for us to use on our salad. One of them was the carrot, ginger, and sesame dressing that Munchkin loved so much that I actually got her to eat her greens. Have you ever heard of a 2-year-old eating a salad? So she loved this dressing, and I guess Robin read the post because this was complimentary in my bag this week. And oh my god, Robin, thank you so much. I love you. I think this retails for $500 normally, and I'm here to tell you that it is an excellent buy, because it will give you a different flavor on your salad from the dressings that we're accustomed to. It's carrot, sesame, and ginger, and it's yummy. It's great, and I will actually start to buy this on a weekly basis. I will actually start to buy this regularly now, because as I said, Munchkin loves it. So whatever Munchkin uses to eat her greens, you know, we have to get it in, right? And it's made from carrots, so it's good right there. So yeah, this was my unboxing of my Food Basket delivery. Thank you so much again, Robin and Michael, because I love you guys. So thank you guys. Check out the blog, IrieDiva.com. See you later.